Welcome to the National Weather Service weekly weather briefing for May 8th, 2014. Over the last week, we have definitely learned that Wyoming is still in a transition season. We saw rain and thunderstorms across much of the area, and some of those thunderstorms even included some tornadoes, hail, and strong wind. On the other side of the spectrum, we did still see some continued snowfall, especially across the west, and some moderate to significant amounts of snowfall were reported. What can we expect as we move forward? Well, Friday and into Saturday, we're still looking at some transition symptoms across the state. The western portion of the area will see some cooler conditions with snowfall, while areas of eastern Wyoming will see some warming conditions on Friday with isolated thunderstorms. Saturday, expect to see similar conditions across western Wyoming with similar temperatures and continued snowfall, while cooler conditions will start to move east of the divide into central and eastern Wyoming with continued rain showers. By Sunday and Monday, an area of low pressure will bring much cooler conditions across the state with a rain and snow shower mix. And by the middle portion of next week, an area of high pressure will finally begin to bring warmer and drier conditions, though some shower activity will remain possible across northern Wyoming and the mountain locations. Getting into a little more detail, again, an area of low pressure will be found over the Pacific Northwest for Friday. That area is going to bring some snowfall across western Wyoming and also be able to bring some thunderstorm activity across eastern Wyoming. Cooler temperatures are expected across the west, which will be under the influence of that system a little bit more, with some warming temperatures expected across central and eastern Wyoming. Expect gusty afternoon wind, especially across southern Wyoming. By the weekend, as that area of low pressure dives into the Four Corners region, expect widespread cooling conditions across the state, with rain and snowfall being present. Wind will again increase during the afternoon hours, especially during the wind corridor over southern Wyoming. Monday, the area of low pressure will continue to move into the central and northern plains. We will continue to see some cooler temperatures with continued rain and snow. By Tuesday and especially Wednesday, an area of high pressure across the desert southwest will begin to have some impact on the Cowboy State. We can expect some warming temperatures, especially on Wednesday, with drier conditions across the south. However, some lingering shower activity will be present across northern Wyoming. As far as the temperature trend, again, we are expecting colder temperatures through the weekend, with warming temperatures expected through the early portion of the next work week. Those cooler temperatures mean that we don't need to worry anymore about those rising rivers and streams? Most certainly not. We're still expecting some precipitation across the area, which will raise those levels potentially a little bit more. So those residents living near those locations will still need to monitor the river levels and be ready to move if necessary. An 8 to 14-day outlook, we're basically looking at pretty average conditions across the state, both temperature and precipitation. We want to take a moment to remind you that it is spotter training season. We do have one session this evening in Green River, and we have another session next Thursday in Pinedale. We want to take a moment again to thank you for watching our weather briefing. You can call us at any time if you have any questions at 1-800-211-1448. Thank you.